In a shocking incident in Bengaluru, BJP MLA Satish Reddy's car was set on fire. This incident of arson happened late last night, and India Today has accessed exclusive CCTV footage of the incident that took place at the residence of Reddy in Bommanallai. The images show two suspect arsonists fleeing from the spot. The miscreants had arrived at about 1:25 a.m. and left 3 minutes after, allegedly setting the car on fire. The Bengaluru South East Division Police is going through CCTV visuals to investigate the matter. The cops are looking into whether the MLA was targeted because of a showdown over a Shiva statue at the Begur Lake. A statue of Lord Shiva was unveiled at the lake and it led to a big face-off. MLA Satish Reddy spoke to India Today and said that the incident could be politically motivated.
Do you suspect people who were against the Shiva statue because you supported the statue? Do you suspect some miscreants, some criminals behind who are against you did this?
No, we can suspect, but it is not perfect, I think. They are checking. They gave a very strong warning that we can go inside of MLA house and we can burn anything. Somebody is there behind that two persons came here. Behind that, somebody are there. That police is making inquiry.
What is your stand?
The investigation is going on, and we are quite confident we will bring it to the right conclusion.
CCTV, any visuals of faces seen of the culprits?
See, this is a very early point. We have taken the help of CCTV footages, but there are many other clues that are being followed.
Fine.
Right?
Thank you so much.
Nagarjun Dwarkanath filed this report from the Begur Lake. He explains the showdown over the unveiling of the Shiva statue.
The statue, which was covered completely with the tarpaulin with sheets, has been opened now, and now the case has been registered against unknown persons by the police who removed the cover over the statue. Case has been registered in Begur police station as to unknown miscreants came to the island here behind me, unveiled the statue, which was against the court order. The court is still hearing the order, and the police are saying that we can't go back and cover the statue. It is the duty of the BBMP. Right now, we are waiting for BBMP to come here and cover the statue once again as per the court order. But even after 24 to 48 hours, the statue remains as it is without the cover. And the contention is that the supporters of environment and other activists have approached the court that the island behind me is illegal and does not suit the lake. It has a history here. It's a big lake, one of the biggest lakes in Bengaluru, and should not spoil the beauty and aquatic life here. And that's the reason the island should not be constructed, is what the activists say. But however, BBMP had built this island and a statue also. The contention is that the statue should not have been unveiled, but today it's unveiled and it stands behind me without any covering. Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.